Hi guys, welcome to Royal Logos. It's my pleasure to have you here and I really hope that you all are doing well. In today's video, I will demonstrate you that how can we extract a logo design idea for an academy. So without wasting any time, let's continue with the brief that we received from the client. So the client says that we are running an academy center for children with special needs and we need a simple yet effective logo design for the academy. The logo name should be The Bridge Knowledge Hub. Knowledge Hub should be used as slogan. I would like a bridge design in the logo and try to avoid the use of anything that relates to special children. Just try to touch the fact of knowledge and learning. And now the major points that I extracted from this brief is the name of the academy, or you can say the name of the logo. The bridge would be the primary name of the logo and Knowledge Hub should be used as the slogan. And the second one is that the client is like to incorporate a bridge design in the logo. And the third one is that we should avoid anything that relates to special children, and we also have to touch the fact of knowledge and learning. Now let's continue with the mind mapping process. And I have selected these 2 points to design our logo. The name, which is the bridge, and second one is the Knowledge Hub or the Learning Hub. For the bridge, we can use the initial letter B, or we can use the bridge design as the client suggests in the brief. And for the Knowledge Hub, or you can say for the Learning Hub, we can use elements like a school building, a whiteboard, a blackboard, or we can use a brain to represent the knowledge or learning. And to make our logo more simple and minimalist, we can use elements like a book, a pencil, or a pen. And to design our logo, I decided to use the combination of the bridge and pencil. And after sketching different designs, this was the finalized version. Now let's break down this one into different parts to understand the background logic. Now this part represents the bridge and this one represents the pencils. And now this is for today's video. Please share your thoughts about the design in the comments section, that whether you like it or not, or suggest any modifications. And if you think that this video helps you in some way, then like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.